Welcome to today's design journey, where we explore the stunning fusion of contemporary architecture and natural serenity in an elegant minimalist concrete house. This home stands as a testament to the beauty of simplicity, where each element, from the rugged exterior to the tranquil interior, works harmoniously with nature. Whether you're looking for design inspiration or simply appreciate beautiful homes, join us as we dive into the breathtaking details of this minimalist marvel. The exterior of the house is a perfect representation of minimalist design principles. The sleek concrete facade, with its unembellished surfaces, creates an aura of strength and calm. Every line, every corner, reflects precision, ensuring that no detail is too much or too little. The concrete's natural texture blends beautifully with the surrounding environment, especially when bathed in natural light. This home isn't just about the structure itself, but how it interacts with the landscape. Large windows, framed in black aluminum, bring the outdoors inside, offering uninterrupted views of the natural world. The flat roof adds to the contemporary aesthetic, contributing to the home's streamlined silhouette. Look closely at the entrance. Clean lines and bold materials create a welcoming yet minimalist statement. As we approach the entrance, we see a door that echoes the home's philosophy, minimalist, yet impactful. Crafted from warm-toned wood, the door offers a gentle contrast to the coolness of the concrete. Its sleek design, with no visible handles or complex features, makes it an elegant introduction to what lies inside. Flanking the doorway, you'll notice an understated garden with natural stone elements and native plants. These subtle touches introduce a sense of serenity, setting the mood before even stepping inside. Stepping into the home, the living room welcomes us with an open concept design. The minimalist approach continues here, with neutral tones, clean furniture lines, and polished concrete floors that extend the visual flow from outside to inside. The large floor-to-ceiling windows flood the space with natural light, and thanks to the simple design, the natural surroundings become part of the room's decor. The furniture is carefully chosen to balance comfort and elegance. Soft textiles and muted tones provide warmth without overwhelming the space. The concrete walls inside remain exposed, giving the room a raw, modern edge that is softened by the presence of nature just beyond the windows. The kitchen, like the rest of the home, is a study in minimalism and functionality. Custom-built cabinetry made from smooth, matte wood panels hides appliances and utensils, ensuring the space feels clean and uncluttered. The island, with its sleek concrete countertop, acts as both a functional workspace and a design statement. Overhead, minimalist lighting fixtures with warm-toned bulbs cast a gentle glow during the evening hours. Adjacent to the kitchen, the dining area continues this clean aesthetic. A simple wooden dining table, surrounded by modern chairs, centers the room. Once again, the large windows allow natural light to serve as the primary feature, making each meal an experience in both taste and tranquility. The bedrooms in this minimalist home are havens of calm. Soft tones of gray, beige, and white create a soothing palette, while large windows ensure that natural light and scenic views take center stage. Each bedroom maintains the simplicity of the overall design, with uncluttered layouts, built-in wardrobes, and subtle accents that add personality without breaking the minimalist aesthetic. The bedding, soft and inviting, introduces organic textures that create a tactile contrast to the concrete walls. The minimalist design extends to the lighting, with recessed fixtures that provide soft illumination, enhancing the room's peaceful ambience. The minimalist elegance continues in the bathrooms. With polished concrete floors and walls, these spaces feel sleek and modern, yet grounded in simplicity. Frameless glass showers and floating vanities contribute to the open, uncluttered feel of the space. The fixtures, with their matte black finishes, add a sophisticated touch, while the neutral color palette keeps everything calm and cohesive. Natural light flows into the bathrooms through strategically placed skylights, ensuring that even these private spaces maintain a connection to the outdoors. Outside, the home continues to engage with nature in a beautifully minimalist way. A spacious patio, seamlessly extending from the living room, offers a perfect spot for relaxation or entertainment. Furnished with simple, modern outdoor seating, the space is surrounded by greenery that feels curated yet natural, reflecting the overall design ethos of the home. The outdoor area is more than just an extension of the living space, it's a sanctuary. Simple stone pathways lead to a small garden area where native plants and trees provide shade and privacy, reinforcing the harmony between the architecture and the landscape. The minimalist approach to landscaping is just as intentional as the home's design. Native plants are carefully placed to complement the architecture without overwhelming it. Clean lines in the stone paths and simple water features enhance the sense of tranquility. Here, the natural beauty of the environment is the focal point, with the concrete house serving as a perfect backdrop. Each element of the landscape has been chosen to promote balance and serenity, reflecting the home's overarching theme of a seamless connection between contemporary design and the natural world. This elegant minimalist concrete house is a true fusion of contemporary design and natural serenity. Its clean lines, uncluttered spaces, and thoughtful connection to nature make it an ideal retreat for those seeking beauty and simplicity. Thank you for joining us on this tour of a home that proves less is truly more when every detail is considered. If you enjoyed this design journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more home design inspiration. See you next time.